you will need lemons, butterfly pea flower, and sugar. So now, what do you think? What color will it turn into? Blue plus yellow. Let's try it out. So what's the science behind the color change? There's a very special ingredient in this lemonade. Butterfly pea flowers. They contain a vivid blue pigment called anthocyanin. It has a unique capability to act as an indicator. This is why you can turn your lemonade from yellow to pink to purple. But do you want to go crazy? Let's add a bunch of baking soda. 3, 2, 1. Look at the color. The color changed again. It's blue again. Isn't science cool?